Good morning all, myself Sanjay HM. Today topic about analysis of single stage impulse turbine. Analysis of single stage impulse turbine. Steam turbines belongs to the power generating turbo machine that uses steam as a working fluid. Means the high pressurized steam from the boiler is expanded in nozzle in which the enthalpy of the steam is being converted into the kinetic energy. Thus the steam at high velocity at the nozzle means exit of the nozzle impinges over the moving blade or rotating blade, which causes this change of flow direction of a steam and thus cause a tangential force on the rotor blades. There we classified two types steam turbines, maybe two kinds, it is impulse type and the reaction type of turbine. Impulse turbines are D-level or Curtis or Retief type of turbines. Means the impulse turbines, the enthalpy drop completely occurs in the nozzle itself, and when the fluid pass over the moving blades, it will not suffer pressure drop again in the impulse type of turbine. Means the pressure remain constant when the fluid pass over the rotor blades. That we call it as the impulse type of turbine, and the example is D level type of turbine. And coming to the reaction type of turbine, the pressure drop occurs in the nozzle. There will also be pressure drop occurs when the fluid passes over the rotor blades. But in the impulse type of turbine, the rotor blades, the pressure remains constant. But we consider the reaction type of turbine, the pressure drop occur when the fluid passes over the rotor blades. That is the example Parsons type of turbine. For that, we know that velocity triangle we constructing in the inlet and the outlet, absolute with respect to the absolute velocity and also relative velocity is V1, VR1 and VM1 and alpha 1 and beta 1 is U value and also VU1. Absolute velocity, relative velocity, meridional velocity is the tangential component of a V1 and the nozzle angle alpha 1 and the blade angle beta 1 and the tangential speed and also tangential component with respect to the V1 for inlet. The same way for outlet. The inlet velocity, it impinges the blade, means the absolute velocity impinges the blades, means V1 is always greater than V2, means velocity decreases. There we consider the outlet velocity triangle. This is the V2 and this one VR2 with respect to the absolute velocity alpha 2 and beta 2. V2 to VM2 called as the VU2, the same way is the U value. Then in the steam single stage impulse type of turbine, the U is considered as a constant. We combine the inlet and the outlet velocity triangle. The same U is remains same, U is considered constant, U is equal to constant in the single stage impulse type of turbine. Then combine the inlet and outlet velocity triangle. This is the U value, U, U1 is equal to U2 is equal to U. Tangential speed. There we consider inlet velocity triangle, this one. First draw the absolute velocity, then relative velocity and tangential component, that is meridional component, this we call it as V1, VR1, this one Vm1 with respect to the angle alpha 1 and beta 1. This one Vu1. The same inlet velocity triangle we are combining, because we consider u is equal to constant, that is u1 is equal to u2 is equal to u. The same way u value here, from this point we consider Vr2 and this point we consider V2 and tangential components. Yes, this one. Outlet velocity triangle, we call it as Vr2, V2, Vm2, and this one overall Vu2, and absolute velocity at exit alpha 2, and this one beta 2 blade angles. This is the construction of velocity triangle and analysis of single stage impulse type of turbine. Means consider the inlet and outlets velocity triangle. U is equal to constant, means u1 is equal to u2. Then combining the velocity triangle, that is u is equal to v1 vr1 vm1, the same velocity triangle. We are adding, means u1 is equal to u2, means we are combining the inlet and outlet velocity triangle. Here beta 1 and beta 2 Vr2 and the absolute velocity V2 and the tangent meridional component Vm2 with respect to Vu2, u1 u2 u are same, means constant, and Vu1. Here you have to find out the blade efficiency, means we know that the blade efficiency is the ratio of work done per kg of steam by the rotor to the total energy available per kg of steam at inlet. This is the single stage impulse type of turbine velocity triangle. Thank you.